Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. Today I'm gonna talk about a chart posted by the very famous Brandt. Okay, so this is the chart, very interesting chart, and usually he's very bearish on Bitcoin, but for a change, I see some bullish. So I thought, hey, I gotta dump my charts for a second and gotta take a deep breath, and let's see what Mr. Peter L. Brandt has to say. So he says that the huge gains are yet to come, and he says the huge gains come in the post half of the halving cycles, and the period since the March of 2024 appears as insignificant, and which is pretty much true because from the past 8-9 months we are hovering between the $50,000 and $72,000 range, and which has been painful. It's like Bitcoin is basically behaving like a stable coin for some, and he says his target is $135,000, which will be achievable in August or September of next year, to 2025. So basically what he is trying to say that the 74 bars, which is basically one bar is each 1 week, so 74 bars are 74 weeks. So for 74 bucks before the halving, every time we just do accumulation. You see, in 2012 and 2013 we did that, and 2015 and 2016 we did that, around 2019 till to the mid of 2020 we did that. But here we did a front run. These are my views basically. So we did a front run and everybody was like, hey, what is happening? And due to that, after halving, we just basically went sideways, contrary to what we are used to see. Like after halving, we see massive gains always. Here as well. In 2016, after mid of 2016, we saw massive gains. Same goes for mid of 2020. We saw massive gains. Bitcoin went from $6,000-7,000 to $62,000. But since the diminishing returns are here, they have always been here. It's just that the people are used to massive gains. They are not gonna happen. So yet you can still double your money if you buy right now, because Bitcoin is hovering at between 60 and 62,000 from the past 2-3 days. If you buy now, you can according to Peter Brandt, you can just sell in August or September next year and double your money by selling at 130-135. However, he does say that if there is a close below $48,000, his chart becomes useless. Here's what I think. Hey, if Trump wins, we will see a massive rally, and this $135,000 target, this may come early. And if Trump doesn't win, I'm expecting the market to top in Q4 2024 or early 2025 Q1. So early December or January, I'm expecting this market to top. And honestly, I don't care who wins, but I'm not so bullish on the market right now, unlike Peter Brandt. So yeah, Bitcoin is looking okayish, not too good right now, and it's having a lot of trouble. And given the tension in the Middle East and all whatnot, I don't think the Bitcoin is gonna cross $100,000. So what I'm doing is I'm expecting to cash out. I'll start cashing out in early November. I'll start, I cannot predict the actual top, so I'll start cashing out. And if I'm wrong, I'll still make huge gains, and maybe I'll sit on the sidelines. However, I think we have already seen massive gains. Whatever gains we are used to see post halving, we have seen those gains before the halving already. And I think this cycle is a little bit weird and different. Like previous cycle, we had a double top. This never happened. The previous cycle was totally different compared to the other cycles we had. Up to our prior cycles, it was totally different. And this cycle as well, like we saw all the gains before the halving, and since then we have been moving sideways. And yeah, I think if there are tensions in the Middle East, if the economy keeps on slowing down like it's doing right now, I think the government will run out of plans, and we may see the Fed to pivot. And whenever the Fed pivots, it's usually very bad for the stock and other speculative instruments like gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies. So, and real estate as well. So this is what I think. So while the Peter is bullish, I'm not so bullish, and I think we have already seen the gains we've seen so far, and we may see another pump to, I think, $86,000, and I think that would be it for this cycle. We may see a massive crash in Q4 of 2025 slash Q1 2026, and then probably we'll find a bottom at probably find bottom between $30,000 and $35,000 USD, and then probably we will touch the target of $135,000, which the Peter suggests. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. Hope you like this video, and subscribe for more analysis and crypto mining videos like these. Yeah, I make crypto mining videos as well. Bye bye.